Hey guys, it's your girl OG Teddy B back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do another Valentine's Day look. In the last video, I did one that was more neutral, kind of more chill. In this video, I'm gonna do something a little more intense. If you're new to my channel, feel free to click that subscribe button if you like what you see. If you have already been here, thank you so much for coming back. It means a lot to me. And yeah, so let's get into this video. Take my MAC 24-hour extended eye base to prime my lids. Just gonna apply that. Oh. Small amount, you don't need too much of this. I don't normally set my eyes, but I'm gonna set them today, and I think I set them in the last video, but whatever. I'm gonna set them with my MAC Invisible Set Powder, and this is really gonna help with keeping this base still. That sounded silly. The first color I'm going to, oh, I need a brush. I'm taking this Morphe brush. Girl, I wish I could tell you guys what number this brush is, but it's bald. There's nothing there. I'm taking that blending brush and I'm taking this shade here. It's called Saddle. As you can see, I pretty much hit pan on that bad boy because I use it so often. Okay, so I've applied the first eyeshadow color. I'm going to change out brushes. I'm going to take my 217 brush from MAC, and I'm actually going to start by applying it kind of in a V shape on the outer portion and then immediately bringing it into the crease. I'm going to jump back into the first shade just to blend the two shadows in. I feel like they look a little harsh. Now, if you're new at eyeshadows, you might not see that, but I'm pretty particular, so it looks a little harsh to me. And as you can see, I'm not bringing this shadow too high up. I'm literally just diffusing the outer portion of it. Like, I don't want this shadow to touch my brow bone. Okay, so I'm done blending that out, and I'm going to apply my lid color. Oh my god, I didn't tell you what the name of these shadows are. The first shadow I used is called Saddle. The second one I used, I'm actually popping it out right now. It's called I'm Into It from MAC Cosmetics as well. And the third shadow is also from MAC Cosmetics. Let me just pull it out first. It's called Passionate. Okay, so I got this synthetic brush here. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's one of the smaller synthetic brush. So it's a flat shader brush, but it's just a thinner version. So I'm gonna try to apply this shadow directly to the lid. Let's see how this works. Okay. Working so far. Because this is a matte color, you may lose some of the shadow, but it's okay. Just continue to pack it on. And this is why I love MAC eyeshadows. I feel like they're pretty pigmented. I mean, I haven't tried many other shadows, but I am definitely content with my MAC shadows. And to think that these single shadows are like $6, that's amazing. If you're in the States, I'm pretty sure it's cheaper, but in Canada here it's $6. I love how this looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. It looks really good. I'm going to take a bit of that brush again, and I'm just going to add a bit more of I'm Into It on the outer corner. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise. I'm switching around palettes. Should probably cut the crease and apply this color a bit more intense. But honestly, this is coming right off after this probably, so. Apply, I think, a purple eyeliner or a black one, I'm not sure yet. I'll probably do the purple one just because it's fun, and then I'll be right back. The lashes I'm going to apply are, I'm not entirely sure because I have a container of lashes. This is how I keep my lashes. I should probably get a better container to house them, but this is how I keep my lashes. Let me see if I can grab the ones that I'm going to put on and show them to you. I think I found the lashes. I think I found the lashes that I'm going to put on. I'm going to try to put them in my hand and show you around the back. They look like... That was probably not the best idea. They look like this. I'm not sure if you can see them, but I believe these are Ardell lashes, and they're probably like the Ardell 812s, I think, or something like that. But I'm sorry guys, if I don't know the name. I'll probably put them in the description box when I find out what the name is. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes for now. Let's get into the skin. So I'm going to prime my face with this Photo Finishing Smashbox Primer Water. I don't normally do this, but I'm just doing something different today. So I'm gonna apply it under the areas where I need it most. I'm gonna apply it down the center of my nose because I like to highlight that area. A bit under my chin, right here. and a little bit here. I used to over highlight this area before. What I used to do was just apply too much product here entirely because it's like my head is big enough already. I don't need to highlight my forehead. My forehead is huge. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It's already damp. Okay, it's not damp enough. I'll be back. Okay, now I'm back. So here we are, and just ignore that green patch on this. It's from the eyeshadow. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this. This is like your staple MAC foundation. Now I'm gonna take an old goodie that I haven't used in a bit, and this is my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Setting Powder. I'm actually gonna apply that with a cotton wedge and apply it to all the areas that I've highlighted except there. Didn't highlight there. And for the rest of the video, I feel like these are things you guys have seen me do normally, so I'm not gonna talk. I'm just going to do my thing.